The second motor we have. This motor works, but not if you're about to run into the toolies. It takes a while, it's a little slower, it's electric, and much easier. This is what you'll see, your handle, forward, clockwise direction. We're already hooked up to the battery, it'll always be hooked up. Twist it, as soon as you twist it, it starts turning. You get different speeds. Of course, if you go counterclockwise, you can go stern or backwards. Nothing special about it. You do have adjustments on here for height. This will probably be up out of the water most of the time. So you have to loosen the lock piece here and allow you to set it into the water. All you need to be is a little below the drums or above and you're good. It's very easy to use, not much different than a car, honest. On the handle you have your gas, your accelerator. You can see where it's turn it counterclockwise. There's your arrow indicating how much gas you're getting. Getting less. This part. When the gear shift is in neutral, which is where it'll be when you start, it'll only let you advance to the start position. It's like a car. What we have over here is this blue switch. The way it works, just like a light switch. Up is on, down is off. It'd be like your ignition switch. You put your key in, turn it on. So I'll leave that on. On the other side, we have your gear shift. Much easier than a car because you only get to go forward. Little boat symbol there. Forward. Also, if you look, the prop, handle goes forward, boat goes forward. Handle goes back, boat goes back. So we'll start it in a neutral position. We'll take the lever, not neutral. There we go. There. Neutral position. Switch on. There is a choke. Usually on the river, only the first time in the morning we'll have to pull the choke. This boat motor usually starts within the first pull. Let me go get some water on here. I'll be right back. Alright, let's see if she'll start. We're neutral. Switch on. Throttle at start position. Back down to the idle. And we'll put it in forward reverse. Do not. After you start the engine, do not put it in gear. Bring the throttle down. Reach over. Now the throttle is higher. Reaching on the side. You can go stern or backwards. Time to stop. It's like you reach over and turn the key. This is a switch. Just like your light switch in a house. Down is off. That's it. Doesn't get much easier than that. Just remember, after you start it, this position, back the throttle down before you put it in gear. That's it. Doesn't get any easier than that. I want to go over this type of filling on the air mattress just once. You see the green fill, and the back side, after you unclip this, squeezing on the sides here, there's this piece of rubber, it's a flap. It's in this way. After you pull off the pump, this side, because you can see that's the air going out this way. You put it right in here, you fill it, and this will normally be attached. You don't have to worry about the air coming out. When you deflate it, you have to squeeze these two sides, pop this off, and it exposes. You can then take the pump. See, the arrows are showing that it's going to suck, and this will fit perfectly in here. When you turn it on, it'll pull all your air out of the mattress. And then put this back on, clip it in place, and you're good to go. Air mattresses. We have a couple different pumps. This one's going to be battery operated. This one's 12 volt operated. It has an end like this, and this adapter must be used, plugs into here, and these will hook up to our 12 volt battery, an automotive battery. Positive is red, minus, negative is black. This is a 120 volt inflator. We'll use this power inverter. It will plug into here, and same thing, these will plug into the battery. Positive, negative. This is the one you'll be looking for. This is the screamer. This is the one that moves a lot of air very quickly. It's marked on here. You'll see the direction of flow. Plug this side in to inflate, this side to deflate the battery. You'll see on these air mattresses a couple, they're color coded. The green here is for the green on the pump. This one to inflate, it has a little check valve in there. This pulls out. On the inside, you see the plug. So when you go to inflate it, you pull out even more, and now it deflates. Pump goes in, turn it on. When it's fully inflated, push it in. Hold onto the plastic, pull it out, and you won't lose any air. It's plugged on the inside, then put your cap on. The second one we have is this type. It's marked yellow. You'll be using this cord. The other end goes into the blue pump. The fat end, screw. It again has a check valve. If you push on it, air comes out. Stop, nothing. So all you have to do is cover the hole. It doesn't screw on, just cover the hole. Turn the pump on. When you finish, take it off. You won't be losing any air. Screw your cap back on. Third one we have are these. You can see they have a locked and open position. That has, it's a reference to these two clips on this side. You see the green, same thing, you fill it. It also has a check valve, meaning air will only flow one direction. Hook up the green, the pump, blow it up. When it comes time to deflate, oh come on.